Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to kick someone or ban someone from your Discord server. And trust me, that's going to be a very quick tutorial. There's nothing complicated, and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. Yeah, let's move on point how to do it. As you can see here, we are on our Discord server and we have some bot here and we want to kick him. Actually this is working for bots and also for your friends. So if you want to kick him, the easiest and fastest way is to right click on his name, and as you can see from here, you can mute him, you can disable video, you can change his nickname, and also we can set some rules. But as you can see here, we can kick him or ban him. So let's say we want to kick him. Yeah, you can tap the reason why you're kicking him. Let's say because you were noob, and let's kick him. And by pressing this button kick, now he's gone. So if you want to ban actually someone, you can actually, yeah, let's add another bot. Let's say the same bot, and let's this time ban him to show you what happened when you ban him. And now he's here. So what happened when you're actually banning him? When you click on ban epic RPG, actually you have this cool GIF admin banned, boom, and you can actually delete his messages, or you can choose to don't delete any in the previous 24 hours and previous 7 days. But you're not able to delete all messages that he sent. Yeah. Okay. Also, you can type the reason because you are a noob, and you can ban him, and now he's gone. But actually, you can unban him again if you want it. Just send him an invitation, and he will be back here if he accepts the invitation. So that was it how to ban or kick someone from your Discord server. It was very easy. As I told you, there's nothing complicated. And yep, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be ashamed to leave your questions, to leave your problems down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.